Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about checked exceptions in Java. So let's get started. As already explained in one of the previous session that exceptions at a high level in Java can be categorized into two types. One is unchecked exceptions, unchecked exceptions, and the second category or type of the exceptions we have is checked exceptions. So we have unchecked exceptions and checked exceptions. So what are unchecked exceptions? If the Java compiler doesn't suggest that particular lines of the code in the program will result in an exception before we run the code if it is not suggesting, and only after you run the code you will get to know that there is an exception coming from this code. A particular line of the code is causing an exception. You are only knowing after you run the code. But before you run the code, the Java compiler is not suggesting you that at this particular point of line of the code in the program, there is a possibility of the exception. If the compiler is not suggesting, then such kind of exceptions which only occur directly in the runtime, that is in the output after running the code, are called as unchecked exceptions. But coming to the checked exceptions, unlike checked exceptions, as a opposite to the unchecked exceptions, in checked exceptions, Java compiler will suggest you while writing the code itself in the program. While writing the code, before you run the code itself, the Java compiler will suggest that at this particular line of the code in your program, there is a possibility of an exception. Better to handle it. Such kind of suggestions that Java compiler is going to give you before you run the code itself. Such kind of exceptions are called as checked exceptions. The exceptions which are checked by the compiler before you run the code while writing the code itself are called as checked exceptions. The exceptions which are which are uh, you know pointed out, the possibility of the exception is pointed out while writing the code itself, and before running the that is before running the code. While writing the code means that is before running the code. The possibility of the exception is pointed out by Java compiler. The possibility of the exception is pointed out by the Java compiler while writing the code itself, that is before running the code. Such kind of exceptions are called as checked exceptions, right? Any examples for these checked exceptions? Examples for checked exceptions are, we have something like file not found exception. We have file not found exception and IO input output exception. IO exception is nothing but input, and many other are there. These are two examples. Now let me practically demonstrate this for you guys, how the Java compiler will suggest that at a particular line of the code while writing the code in the program, a particular line of the code or piece of the code is going to give you an exception. Before you run the code itself, Java compiler will suggest such kind of exceptions for you to handle and correct way before you run the code. So examples are file not found exception, IO exception. Let me demonstrate this file not found exception for you. Okay. So how the Java compiler will suggest the possibility of this exception before you run the code while writing the code itself. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID, and here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name, and with main method, inside this main method guys, okay, I'm going to write the code that is a file. I'm going to create an object for a predefined class in Java known as FileReader. So this FileReader class is a predefined class in Java, and I am going to cover this FileReader class in the upcoming sessions, guys. Okay, there's a concept in Java known as file handling mechanism. Okay, there's a concept in Java known as file handling or file handling mechanism. How to handle the files in Java programming. That is a concept that I have to cover in the upcoming sessions. So, but the situation has come here where I need to cover or explain about this checked exceptions. The example for the checked exception is, important example of a checked exception is file not found exception. Okay, that you most commonly observe in the code. Since the topic has come way before I covered the file handling mechanism, so that's the reason I'm covering it here, guys. Okay, don't worry what is file reader and all those stuff. all the concepts related to file handling mechanism, this file reader predefined class as part of file handling mechanism, I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions. But till then, you just focus on this exception concept. Check the exception concept only. You focus. Don't worry what is file reader and all the stuff. You see, it's one of the predefined classes we have in Java, and we can create objects, okay, for this predefined class in Java. When you're trying to create an object for this file reader predefined class in Java, hover the mouse on this file reader and select this and import it from java.io package. Once you do that, now here inside the file reader, inside the constructor, you give a particular file. You mention a particular file. Okay, abc.txt file you are mentioning. Now you see still you are getting the error. Yes or no? Here on creating an object for the file reader class and also giving the file which need to be read. Everything is provided here. If you are writing the statement like this, still we are getting an error. We already imported the file reader class also predefined class from the java.io package also. But still we are getting the error this side. If you hold the mouse on the error, then you will come to know that the Java compiler is suggesting you to, okay, handle the exception. Did I run this code? I'm only writing the code. After running the code, generally we get the exceptions, right? Those are called as unchecked exceptions because those exceptions are not checked by the compiler, be, uh, you know, uh, uh, before you run the code. Those are called as unchecked exceptions. But here, whatever the error that is coming, if I hold the mouse, you see, unhandled exception type, file not found exception. Java compiler is clearly saying that this particular line of the code will result in which exception? There is a possibility of file not found exception it's suggesting. So it's better you surround this with try-catch block. It's saying that it's better you surround with try-catch block. It is saying you better handle the exception the Java compiler is suggesting. You see earlier, if I comment this part and earlier if I have written enter c is equal to 9 divided by 0, am I getting any suggestion here? Is the Java compiler giving me suggestion that you cannot divide a number by 0? You will get a possibility. There is a possibility of arithmetic exception coming. Is the Java compiler suggesting? No, right? But if I run the code after I run the code, if I run this particular code, after I run the code in the output, I'll get that exception. In the output, I'll get that exception. You see, in the output, I'll get arithmetic exception. This exception is a runtime. Okay, during the runtime only it's coming. It's not checked by the compiler while writing the code. During the compile time, this particular possibility of the exception is not suggested by the Java compiler. But in case of this file reader, Java compiler is suggesting me while writing the code itself, while compiling the code itself, before I run the code, during the compile time itself, Java compiler is suggesting that this particular line may result in file not found exception, better to handle it. Okay, the only way we have in Java to handle the exception is by using try-catch blocks case, as already covered in the previous session. So we Java compiler is suggesting us to handle this particular exception by surrounding this particular line with try-catch block so that you can handle the exception. Until then, the error will not go. Okay, how to overcome this error I am going to cover in the next session, guys. Okay, in the next session I am going to cover how to overcome this particular error. So Java compiler is giving you a compile time error or compiler error. So, okay, using this compiler error, Java compiler is suggesting us to handle the file not found exception before we run the code itself. During the compile time, compiler is checking the possibility of the exception here. That's why this file not found exception is called as, it can be categorized under checked exception. This file not found exception can be categorized under checked exception because that is checked by the compiler before we run the code itself. During the compile time itself, Java compiler is suggesting that at this particular line of the code, there is a possibility of file not found exception. Better to fix it, better to handle it using try-catch block or whatever it is it's saying in the as a compiler error message. You can see the options here. Okay, I'll handle the exception in the next session, guys. Okay, how to overcome this particular error, what are the different ways and all I'm going to cover in the next session. But for now, hope you understood what exactly are checked exceptions. Okay, these are the checked exceptions. Another example for the checked exceptions are IOException and many other things are also there. But as part of practical demonstration, I have given only the file not found exception demonstration. That's enough for this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.